Let's get spiritual.
What if I told you people come into your life for a reason? Sometimes it's for a lifetime. Sometimes it's for a season. Maybe that reason has a lesson. And that lesson may be the reason. But always remember, it's happening for you, not to you. So even if it's just for a second, acknowledge it. 'Cause you may never experience that feeling again.